unlovable Julie, unpredictable Julie, darling Julie, singing and dancing her way through the happiest musical comedy of the year.
So walk me back home, my darling.
Yes, it's Julie Andrews, part-time music hall-star and full-time charmer. And Rock Hudson, the intrepid American commander of the Flying Eagle Squadron. Paramount Pictures lovingly brings you Julie Andrews as Darling Lily in the high-steppingest, happiest musical of the 70s.
It's a long, long way to Tipperary, but my heart's right there. It's a long way to Tipperary. It's a long way to go. It's a long way to Tipperary, to the sweetest girl I know. Goodbye, Piccadilly. Farewell, Leicester Square. It's a long, long way to Tipperary, but my heart's right.
Julie Andrews is Lily, and Lily is everybody's darling. It all adds up to entertainment for the entire family as Paramount Pictures lovingly brings you Darling Julie as Darling Lily.